Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the device so nothing interrupts the process. Make sure battery is above 20%. This avoids forced shutdowns. Open Settings and use the search box to jump to home screen, display, or lock screen options. This saves time. Once there, note whether you use a PIN, pattern, or biometric. You'll need it to confirm changes. Also, back up your home layout or screenshots so you can restore icons if anything shifts during locking. You now enable the actual lock. Navigate to the identified toggle labeled Home Screen Lock or Prevent Home Changes and flip it on. This prevents app moves and folder edits. When prompted, confirm using your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint so the system verifies it's you. Make sure to review related settings, allow or block widgets, shortcuts, and whether folders remain editable, because those options control what's still adjustable after locking. Once confirmed, try moving an icon to finish by testing and troubleshooting. You should long press an icon. It should not move, delete, or show reposition handles. If it does, restart the device and recheck the toggle. If the lock still fails, clear the Settings app cache or install any pending OS updates, because corrupt caches or old builds can block features. If problems persist after those steps, contact device support with your model and OS version so they can reproduce and resolve the issue. And keep your backup ready.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.